It's been a while since we've had a product launch by Moto, but we've been assured that the brand is still very much present in the country and that they're focusing more on bringing quality products to the market. In fact, they gave us their newest entry-level device to review, and today we're unboxing just that. Hi everyone, Gian here, and welcome to our unboxing of the Moto E5 Plus. So here we have the phone itself. You'll be greeted with a large 6-inch screen with HD Plus resolution. While the aspect ratio is still 18:9, I just wish that they'd slash a bit more bezel at the bottom. I mean, I know it's branding, but well. Anyway, you get that branding at the back along with a single 12-megapixel shooter and a fingerprint sensor. All the buttons are located on the right side while a triple slot tray is on the left. Moto sticks to a micro USB port at the bottom along with the microphone. At the helm is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core processor that's both capable and outdated, unfortunately. I was expecting at least a 450, but maybe that would raise the cost. It does have the 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, expandable also with a micro SD card. For imaging, there's a 12-megapixel rear camera with stabilization and is also capable of recording slow-motion videos. Up front is a 5-megapixel snapper with a selfie flash. The device runs on Android 8.0 Oreo and packs a massive 5000 mAh battery. Don't worry, it comes with a 10 watts rapid charger. The Moto E5 Plus currently retails for 9,999 pesos. Stay tuned to Gadget Pilipinas for our full review. Once again, my name is Gian and thank you for watching this quick unboxing.